repeat this word because that's what the Catholic values, the value with them in their work. I want to introduce them. I want to. Monsignor John Joel.
Mom never wore makeup. She wanted herself as is. And didn't want people to overpraise her. So I am in danger if I continue the way I'm going on. Mom was a beautiful soul, and we want to bury her simply as beautiful as she is, without any more.
Maito. She was and remains our mother. How many times we, her children, and anyone around her felt her maternal concern, her generosity, courage, and strength. Yes, she was strong. Looking at her in her hospital bed 2 weeks ago, I was sure she would bounce back as she had done before.